how to cancel subscriptions on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can cancel subscriptions on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you have any sort of subscription on your iPhone, such as maybe your Apple Music subscription, iTunes subscriptions, or iCloud storage subscription, or any of the other app related subscriptions as well, it is quite easy to cancel them. All you have to do is go and first of all make sure to launch the settings app on your iPhone. Once you do that, tap the profile icon from the very top of the screen, which is your Apple ID profile. After you've done that, right here you'll find the option known as subscription, so you want to make sure to tap on it. If it asks you to verify with your Face ID, make sure to go ahead and then do that. And on this page you will be able to see a list of all of the subscriptions that you have. Depending upon which subscription you would like to cancel, you can go ahead and then select them accordingly and make sure to cancel the subscription from there onwards. And that's all it takes for today's video on how you can cancel your subscriptions on your iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.